Alright guys, what is up? We are looking at Anvil of Dawn, developed by Dreamforge Entertainment and published by New World Computing all the way back in 1995. This is a RPG dungeon crawler, been around for quite the time, and I've been wanting to try it out to see if it's still fun to play today, because it's always caught my eye from the screenshots and stuff. These are our 5 starting characters, but I'm going to start a new game so you guys can see the opening cutscene. Trust me, it's quite something, especially towards the end.
Hear you! Let your voices be a sign, as this gathering is a sign. You shall conquer. Those who revile you, those who condemn you, cannot stand before you now. Soon we storm out of desolation, across the scar. Gorge Keep shall fall. Then Tempest is yours! The green valleys, the rich lands, yours! Know the truth of it! The Dark Gods favor you, and they have promised a gift. By this gift, we shall control the elements, crush our foes, and destroy their land.
Always the elements.
Now, behold!
Wow, they've already harnessed the element of fire.
My time has come.
This is where it gets good.
Our Lady must gather her council. Plans must be made. Fate has set its roots in the present. It begins.
What a beautiful man. I dig the music. Don't know what's going on with this lady.
Our beloved Tempest lies red under the blood of her own people. Azariah, show them.
Watch now. The last few months unfold. They came across the scar. Gorge Keep slowed them for a time, long enough for the armies of Tempest to assemble. Still, we could not hold them. The worst of the evil from desolation is upon us. Where these dark armies pass, rivers turn to mud, grass withers, trees bend, and the dead rise to fight against us. There is one who leads them, a figure in dark armor, a warlord. We believe he possesses a terrible magic. Its evil aids his forces to victory.
No army can stand against them. No nation can withstand them. The Horde marches on, and soon their boots will echo in these very halls. We must find another way. Whatever dark magic the Warlord commands, it must be destroyed. The fate of Tempest now lies in the hands of those volunteers here assembled. Only you, my few, my fearless ones, only you might wrest from the Warlord the secret to his unearthly power. Steal it away, so that our armies can fight on even ground. Without you, there is no hope.
My lady, do not despair. Hope is sometimes found in the most unexpected places. Yet great evil, such as we now face, can only be met and overcome with equally great sacrifice.
Wise words, wise words. And that brings us to our character selection. Yeah. I don't know what's going on with the Tomato Queen, but alright, so I'm not entirely sure. I should have read up on the manual if I was a smart reviewer, but this is more of a first impressions. I believe this boy is our half-elf wizard, which is quite interesting. You don't usually see that. I'm not sure what she is. She's not the rogue, because I'm pretty sure he's the rogue. So I'm not sure if she's an archer or a cleric. This is our burly warrior man. I believe she's also a warrior, but it's probably you can see their stats.
Tales of your speed and daring.
So just a strength, a more agility-based warrior. So what are you?
Yours is the face of our enemy. If chosen, you must prove loyal to us, and more than the evil of your people.
Interesting. All-rounder. Maybe he's just like an anything.
You are quick and agile. If chosen, you must find the secret of the Warlord's power.
Interesting. Okay, maybe she's the rogue then.
A dark spell binds and shackles our once free land. If chosen, your ability and magic must undo these evil bonds.
Yep, so he's all power. But we are going to go with...
Your strength would be a storm upon the land. If chosen, let nothing slow you on your quest.
all strength. Alright.
The enemy has been too long without fear. Let them learn to fear again.
Knock knock. I should point out this is running in like 600 by something resolution. It doesn't seem to be many fixes for it from my quick googling anyway. In recording it was no fun, hence the black bars. Also we're with arrow controls here, no WASD. Let's get this straight in. I can put it in my hands, but I don't think we need a potion in there right now. And our name is Bryce, so all the characters are pre-named and everything. Now, actually, in my little test record, I literally got stuck in here. I was like, what? How do I open the door? Because despite the fact that we're in the Queen's Castle and this is a guest room, you have to solve a puzzle to get out of your own room.
Day it is, and well past sunrise. The old one, Our Lady's advisor, would have a word with you.
Would he now? Would he be asking me to a breakfast?
No, nor would the court magician nor the armor. They both would speak with you as well. Best hurry.
Good morning to you then, though it is later than I thought. May it be a good omen that I've slept so well.
You've slept well into midday. Morning is past. Good omen or bad, the time has come for you to leave.
Midday? A curse on these weary bones, then. The others, have they set out on their own journeys?
Those who would serve my lady rose early. They went quickly about their business. You are the last.
Curse these weary bones.
What's your name, boy?
My name's Wiglaf. I'm a faithful servant of my lady.
Wiglaf. Okay.
The old one, you say? The sage, you mean? Where might I find him?
You'll find the old one deep in the castle. Look in the area beneath the palace halls.
The court magician, the armorer, are they to be found as easily?
Easy enough. You'll find them. They've supplies for you, things you'll need. The palace guards will keep you out of trouble.
Okie dokie.
Well then. Thank you, young man. I'll be on my way.
Goodbye. And may the gods grant you the strength to face our enemies.
Indeed. Now, this isn't so old school that we have to do our own map, thankfully. Well, that can be fun as well, but we do have an auto map feature. Hello?
How goes your watch?
I would give my life for Our Lady in battle, but I prefer a quiet watch.
I hope it stays so.
I'll take your hope, and offer you my prayers. Good luck to you.
Wonder if there's any explanation in the manual to why we're all serving a tomato. I think these graphics still hold up today, they're pretty cool.
Good day to you. May I pass?
With apologies from my lady, you may not. No one may take this passage today.
A silence hangs about these halls. Is the palace always so?
It's the silence of doom, I think. The joy of the old days is gone.
Take heart, for the warlord has won too many battles. He believes himself invincible. That is a weakness.
Oh, then if we believe ourselves beaten, is that a strength? Ah, your words are too strange. You'd better be off about your business.
Thank you for your words. I'll leave you to your watch now.
Goodbye, then. Our hopes go with you, and the others.
Your words be strange, I don't be understanding them. I do like all the dialogue. And it would be interesting to play the other characters just to see what they say.
Good day to you. May I pass?
No.
My apologies, but no. By orders of Our Lady, none may pass this way.
Outside the palace, I hear nothing but talk of defeat.
Some might say it, but not I. Let come what may. I'll defend my lady. She knows her guards will stand fast.
Then she has faith in us both. Pray I do as well at my task as you at yours.
I'll pray it. The gods grant you that strength and more. Now, you should be on your way, I think.
I'll take my leave of you, good fellow. My lady is blessed to have such guards.
Godspeed to you.
Getting mixed vibes from him. A little passive aggressive. That is a gnarly looking staff. What's going on there?
Good day. Might you tell me...
I am Shang Rook, court magician. You are late.
So you are the court magician. I was told to seek you out.
Your lateness disturbs me. Why were you not with the others?
It would seem I was meant to be well rested. Perhaps the better to learn from you.
A quick answer. Yes, I am prepared to teach you the symbols.
So I wonder if all the characters just have some lame excuse for sleeping in.
You mean the magic gestures. I know little...
Very little, I can tell.
Oof.
The symbols are man's way of summoning the elemental energies. By them we control the forces of fire and water. We command wind and earth, and unleash lightning upon the land. Man himself was formed of these elements, and so we possess a language which speaks to them still. It is the lessons of the symbols.
I've never been a student of magic. What lessons have you for one so unskilled as I?
One cannot master the world overnight. For now I shall acquaint you with 2 spells. The first is the blessed weave of healing wounds. I am certain you shall need it. Watch carefully.
Oblivion Gate.
Now, do as I did. Cast the spell.
Seem to have a little trouble there. Oh god.
No, no, watch again.
Oh no.
Focus and remember.
I shall try.
Oh my god, do they all fail the first time, or is it because I'm playing the warrior? Hey, you got it. Good lad.
Good. You may have some small skill in the disciplines. Now for the second spell, you shall choose.
I don't know what's going on with these staff, but it looks like a worm, or like it's organic, and I hate it.
The second spell you offer. From what shall I choose?
Choose from the disciplines, the spells you know too little of. Earth is the discipline of metal, stone, and molten fury. Wind is the discipline of gales, howls, and whirling winds. Fire is the discipline of conflagration, of ash and dragon's flame. Water is the discipline of mists, of fountains, and of ice. Lightning is the discipline of storm, thunder, and wild forces.
Well, since my head is evidently as hard as a rock.
I choose a spell from the discipline of Earth.
From Earth comes the Iron Fist of Chaos.
Yeah.
Watch and learn.
Give me an Iron Fist. So, what happens if I talk about the others now?
Would you demonstrate a spell from the discipline of Wind?
I believe it more than you can master at this time. You have done well to learn 2 spells this day.
Fair enough.
Are there no other disciplines than these?
Only the most ancient and difficult to learn remains.
It is the magic of the void.
Ooh, the void. Nice.
For what you have taught, I thank you. It is late, and I must move on now.
Farewell to you. As your skill grows, fear not to learn what new spells you may come across.
Okay. Nothing to steal. So, where do I actually cast the spells? I'll wait till combat. Oh man, all the doors are like this. Okay. I think that might be repeated dialogue. Well, I assume so, because it's grayed out, is it?
How goes your watch?
I would give my life for our lady in battle, but I prefer a quiet watch.
I hope it stays so.
I'll take your hope, and offer you my prayers. Good luck to you.
Thank you. That doesn't look too healthy, but sure.
You look as if you've been here forever. There is a smell of iron about you, weaponsmith.
Tao's the name. You're the last, are you? The rest came early. Got the best I had left, too.
Of course.
I'll be grateful for whatever you have, I hope. What can you offer?
I have the basics. You choose a style and I'll give you the best I have. There's hacking weapons, of course. You need the strength to swing and the luck to hit. Thrusting weapons are as old as the spear itself, an ancient breed. Slashing blades have been around since war itself was born. Ranged weapons keep the enemy a little further off, for a time.
Wait. No. What would a blunt weapon be? None of those things is blunt. What's the difference between hacking and slashing? What's hacking?
The hacking weapon is the tool for me. I'll take the best you have.
A battle axe.
Hmm.
It's not a refined weapon.
Okay.
Not noble, but effective.
Sure, that sounds good.
Have you news of battle? What are the rumors at court?
Endless hours we forge and cannot meet the cry for weapons. We've no time for rumors.
You must hear something.
Then know that it goes badly. With every breath our men lose ground.
The warlord must be a great general.
Not so. It is said the warlord commands a dark magic, one to twist and warp whatever lies before it.
Why do you live in a decrepit hole in the wall?
Time for me to put your fine weapons to some use.
Good day then. But you'll need your wits more than any weapon. Remember it.
Indeed. What else do I need to see? It's not like I exactly had a massive choice in my path. So I assume someone's moved. Ah yes, I can go this way now. Wait. Wait, yes. Oh man, that music. Oh my god. Why did this go for so long? Oh no, I went back to my room. How did I manage that? Oh, that wasn't a path I hadn't gone. That was just a set of stairs. What a numpty. Where am I going then? Journal. Oops, no. That's not the journal. This is the journal. Once I have paid a visit to both the magician and the armor, I intend to meet the old sage. I believe he is somewhere deep in the stone bowels. Oh. Be back down where I was then. Wonder if I have to talk to that dude to open the gate, maybe. Don't mind me. We're already running late, but no biggie. No? Oh my god. Okay. It's an old school RPG. I need to look very carefully. Why is this destroyed? Why would anybody live down here? Ah, it's you.
Old One! I mean, Master Azariah. I had not thought to see you here.
So I had hoped. It seems you have met with our court magician and armorer.
Both proved helpful. To them and to you, Old One, I apologize for my lateness this day.
Apologize for nothing if you are not the cause.
Wait, what?
Forgive me, I fail to understand. I woke late, it's true.
You woke as I planned. I wished the others gone early, but you are my secret.
Not creepy at all.
You'd best explain, I think.
Has not the warlord seen through every plan we've made? Broken every attempt against him? The others have caught his eye, I'm certain. But you You may go unnoticed.
Huh? Why?
What tricks have sparked in your brain, old one?
This door near us, behind, lies a void gate, a rare item. By it, you shall cover many leagues on the instant you step within.
Where shall I arrive? Facing what army of demons?
We don't know.
This gate is linked to a small keep, one now behind the warlord's lines. You shall arrive unnoticed, deep within.
What of this keep? It may become a prison if luck deserts me.
Luck shall be yours, I promise. East of the keep.
Can you promise that?
The Dark Lantern. You must go there.
Dark Lantern. The name itself is grim. What use is this place behind enemy lines?
It is of incomparable value,
Jeez.
not for itself, but for he who resides within. The Mage of the Dark Lantern. Let your path not be diverted. Seek out the wizard, and pray his mood is generous, his spirit as unyielding as ever it was.
If I am not to follow in the steps of those who left before me, what is my path?
Your path is your own. I have but set the direction. In the end, it is the warlord's dark magic you must find. Destroy that magic, no matter the cost. Quickly, without another word, onward through that door. And fare you well.
Kinda fucked that the other guys are just like decoys, eh? Let's get our axe going. Yeah. Iron Fist of Chaos is of the discipline of Earth. When cast, globules of liquid iron arise. They coalesce into the shape of a gauntleted fist, which speeds towards its target. It is known that some Earth-based creatures possess the ability to cast this spell. Well, that's no good. And Blessed Weave heals. Cool. Cool. 90 spell points and 78. How much do I even have? Being a dumb warrior. Is there anything I want to know about the axe? 1d8 damage, okay. 5d10 damage healed. 10d10 spell points back, right, okay. I don't actually know how to attack, that's going to be an interesting test. Oh, that's pretty cool. See that blew minds back in 1995. I should probably save, eh? Save. I've already forgotten my name. We'll just say Anvil. Bryce. I think to attack. I wonder if there's a better key. You literally have to press L for left hand and R for right hand, which isn't... Well, I suppose I don't need to be using my mouse. Oh, I do, I suppose, if I want to click a specific thing, though. Can I, like, creep through there? Nope. Search. A barrel obstructs my path. Fair enough. That's a bit intimidating. Oh, I thought that was spikes. That's wine. Wine. Wine barrel. I wish I wasn't in such a hurry. Can't believe that's not a secret. Is one of these a secret? Come on. No. Disappointed. Oh, it's a pressure plate. Do I have to put something on it?
I have no pity for
Dude. Dude. That is fucking sick. Also, my face is really cut up considering I have that much damage. 1d8 as well. Holy crap, I'm surprised I don't remember that from when I played this years ago. Not the details on the sprites themselves, let alone the death animation. That was amazing. So... If me... Oops, I don't know what I does. If me put sword on ground... Wait, is that not dropped? That sure looks like a drop icon. No. Yeah, me smart. What does it do though? Still positive one of these wine barrels is going to be fake. No? Fine. I wonder what it does then. Oh well, guess we won't find out because something will be open and I won't even realise. Another one. I need another thing to drop. Suppose I should be looking at every single wall for tiny little buttons and stuff, but... Oh, yeah, I'm assuming that, like, the tap would be the secret, but I suppose... The, could be a secret button.
Do not trouble. I have no pity for cowards.
How come I can't see his health bar? Ooh, a herb for me. Thank you. Can I stack them? Yep. Cool. You didn't drop your sword, which is really rude. So I needed that for a puzzle. Ah, yeah. No, I don't. Cool.
Drop your guard, I promise a quick death.
GG, easy. I like how his weapon disintegrated. What did that first dude do wrong? Was he supposed to like set a little button on his sword and be like, disintegrate when I drop? And he forgot. A keyhole, it certainly is. Okay. What is that picture? Is that a really funny cartoon looking orc with like a blue nose, a big jaw, and a septum ring? That is hilarious.
Do not trouble. I have no pity for cowards.
Damn. Thanks for the key, bub. I don't know if there's a strafe. Do I have to like hold control? Q, E? That is something that I would have to look up. Oh, what am I using the key on? That one or the other one? What is this? Ew, you guys mixed bone dust. Gross.
Do not tremble. I have no pity for cowards.
Ow. Interesting, so you can't cancel out of an animation. Once you start swinging, you cannot back away. So it's not as easy as I thought it was going to be. Another key. So, oh god, so everything can just stack. I wonder if there must be a limit, because everything has weight. But you've also got space to think of, I suppose, man. Like the old school Ultima stuff. Oh, a spear. Which is massive, of course. Another potion of healing. Thumbs down. I do not approve of this chest being empty. Yeah, I guess I could lock the door if I wanted to. Or not. Huh? Okay. Odd. What do you do? Every time. It's hard-coded in me to press I. The path I missed. What is... Oops. What is down here? Good, I'm glad I did that. C. Boop.
Drop your guard, I promise a quick death.
Not if yours is quicker. I'm not sure what the deal with the health bars is, why I'm only getting them sometimes. Let's try a spell. Eek. Oh, it's all of my mana. I just want to see if it regens. A book. A book of war. What is a book of war? Lightweight. Ah. Troops trained in the use of hacking weapons should be supplied with battle axes and warhammers. Those familiar with slashing weapons know the best use of the broad-bladed sword and the greatsword. Spear and broad-bladed spear go to men skilled in thrusting. Ranged weapons include crossbows, throwing blades. Remember, various weapon types prove effective against different types of opponents. Ah, okay, so I shouldn't be speccing only into axes then. And how... I kind of like the book of me just holding a book with my axe. Looks like a fucking war priest. Skills. Jeez, not much. I'm guessing I don't want to spec in all four. I feel like I'll probably go swords and axes. I suppose it would make sense to do a ranged weapon. Key. Oh, hello.
By all that's merciful, how is it that you live?
Death is near. It comes soon.
Take heart. I'll not leave you here to die.
I'm dead already. Nothing you can do. Parsifal, they need you.
I am not Parsifal. Here, let me help.
No, I'm dying. If there is strength in you, find him. Parsifal.
Okay.
Parsifal? Who is he? Tell me and I shall do as you ask.
A loyal man. A friend. He fights his way here for me. Stop him. I beg you.
Ease your spirit, I beg that of you. How will I know this Parsifal? How will he know me?
I am Lord Griffin. My ring. The signet. He will know it. Thank you for your kindness.
Thank me not. I take no joy in this, taking news of your death to a friend.
Listen, there is a chamber hidden in my quarters. Find it. There, find such as may aid you greatly.
Rest now, Lord Griffin.
Leave now, my friend, before the Thanes return.
Okay, thanks for the ring. Bro. Lord Griffin's signet ring. Where am I going? Thought I'd been everywhere. Very unusual. Oops, help is on. Sure. I like help. Oh god, no, I don't want that help. Left button, go forward. Yeah, thanks. Click to move. What is this? Is this a passage I've missed, or is it just a wall? Just a wall. So am I just going back? Oh, what's this? Ah. Oh god. Ooh. Well, that doesn't look like any fun, does it? Oh, there he is. That is certainly a character.
Do not tremble. I have no pity for cowards.
What the heck is this? A leather sack. There's something in the sack? Oops. Okay, so I can put stuff in there, I assume. Interesting. Not for now, but sure. Interesting. Ah, yes. Any hallway is complete with fire rain. Bitch to install. Ha.
Do not tremble. I have no pity for cowards.
Yeah, interesting. The whole hidden, like, the RNG of the combat. I guess I shouldn't just spam. Oh, my HP does regenerate very slowly. Okay, good to know. Bonk. Nice. Looking good. Looking good, Bryce. Actually, to be honest, I think I might wrap up here because you've seen the core gameplay loop, I think.
Show some spirit. Let it be a true
Next. Okay, so let's wrap up. Graphics wise, like I said, I think this holds up beautifully. This game looks fantastic. I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. Obviously the controls, not ideal. You guys can't see that, but I'm pressing keys all over the keyboard. They're not all like in one area or anything. I don't know if they can be rebound. Music and atmosphere feels pretty good. Not like annoying old-fashioned music. Some games do not age well with their sound effects and music. Gameplay seems pretty fun. I like the exploration, puzzles and stuff. Pretty standard dungeon hunting affair from the old days. I haven't seen enough of the story, obviously, to talk about that. I'm quite fond, like I said, I like the dialogue and the voice, and I do like the fact that you got replayability not in just the characters, different classes, but also they're listening to their dialogue and stuff like that. I think that's quite cool. But yeah, for as far as an aged wine, a vintage, if you will, I think this is aged very well. I think it's definitely still playable. Like I said, the resolution thing, a bit annoying. Don't know if there's a workaround. If you do know one, say it in the comments. Also, comment if you have played this. Comment if you have any recommendations of other dungeon crawlers. I know most of them. Oh, I say I know most of them. There's hundreds of them. There's a humongous amount of them. I know Eye of the Beholder and oh god, what are those other ones called? There's so many good ones on GOG, and even more abandonware ones, to be honest. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!